Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a text that helps us to see the city in a new way, not only as buildings and streets, but as a place full of people, problems, and histories.
The text is called Public Space, a Territory in Dispute, written by Teresita Vázquez. She's a teacher of the Technological University of Pereira in Colombia. Her work shows how a public space can reveal the conflicts between what is private and what belongs to everyone.
Teresita Vázquez says that the public space is not only a physical place, it's also a symbolic and political space where different people live and act, and some people use it for fun or for rest, and others use it to survive.
She explains two kinds of logic: the legal logic that is used by formal workers and business that pay taxes, and the extra legal logic used by street vendors who works without permissions. Both groups use the same space, and that creates conflict and inequality.
We choose two important ideas. One of these is agency. It means the way how people, institutions, and objects work together in a place, in a space. For example, in a park, you can see police, vendors, customers. Each one acts and changes the space in their own way.
So every person is an agent who helps to create the city. Public space lives when we use it, not when someone controls it. Here's the territorialization. This happens when space changes its meaning. For example, a public park becomes private when the restaurants take their sidewalk, and public again when street vendors sell there. The space is always shifting.
Yes, it happens every day. Think about a park that became a shopping center or a public street that now has gates and guards. This shows how money and power change what should belong to everyone. So, as visual metaphors, we will use two objects to show these ideas. A mirror, it shows how the city reflects society. When we look at it, we can see both the private and public sides of life and of the city. The mirror reminds us that the city shows who we are, our beauty and our problems and our histories.
2. A climbing plant. It shows the idea of the rhizome, a plant that grows in many directions. Like the city, it expands and finds new ways to live.
We can show these objects in the video. They help us to see how the city grows, reflects, and changes with the people who live in it. We choose a very famous movie, The Hunger Games. Even if it is set in the future, it shows are really similar to what Teresita Vázquez describes, a world divided between the rich and the poor.
In the movie, the capital is a private space full of luxury and control. The districts are a public space marked by resistance and survival. This reflects what Vázquez calls a dispute over public space. Who can live, speak, or must remain invisible.
When the character fights against the system, she changes the meaning of that space. She creates freedom, just like the people who reclaim public space in our real life.
After reading Teresita Vázquez, we can see the city with new eyes. Every street, every corner, every plaza tells a story about powerful and survival.
Public space is more than a place. It's a mirror of our society, and as long as inequality exists, it will always be a territory in dispute.